Looking at crypto bubbles the last week, you'll see many of the biggest gainers are meme coins. And so in this video, I want to focus specifically on Sui ecosystem meme coins. I'll show you some that I personally like, talk about why I like them, and then we'll swap for one at the end. If we look at TradingView, you can see that Sui is trading around an all-time high at $3.31. The narrative for meme coins across all chains continues to get stronger. One of my theories has been that we'll eventually see some rotation from some of the bigger chains like Solana and Ethereum into the newer ones like Sui and Sei. And I think we're starting to see that right now with Sui. So we're going to cover 4 or 5 that I really like and I think have potential to continue to make big gains. Please note, nothing I say is financial advice. This is for education, entertainment purposes only. Meme coins are a great way to turn a small amount of Sui into a much larger sum, but you have to make sure to always do your research and never invest more than you're willing to lose. Alright, so looking at Dex Screener Sui, we're going to take a look at what's been trending in the last 24 hours. We have to start with this one, HIPPO. So you can see that it had a huge run up a couple days ago, and if we take a look at their exit count, you'll see why. Binance Futures listed HIPPO, which is big for the entire Sui meme coin ecosystem. Rising tide lifts all ships, and so HIPPO, even though it's one of the newer meme tokens in the Sui ecosystem, getting a listing on Binance is a big deal. And so I'm definitely focused on other Sui ecosystem meme coins that also have a chance for big centralized exchange listings like Binance and Coinbase. The first one I'm going to show you that I think has that kind of potential is AAA Cat or AAA Cat. I'm going to go through the process of how I personally analyze meme coins, whether they're on Sui, Sei, Solana, or any chain. So I kind of go through the same progression, and we'll do that with each one of these that I'm going to highlight in this video. Just taking a look at the chart, this thing ran all the way up to about 36 million. It's pulled back a little bit. Take a look at their X profile. Can't stop, won't stop thinking about Sui. They're at 8,500 followers. I always like to scroll through their feed and see how often they post and if it's quality content. And honestly, this is one of the best videos I've seen for any meme coin project. Just scrolling down, you'll see they do post often. It's good quality content. This project's headed by Drippy.Sui, who's actually a Sui dev, very well-known member in the Sui community. So you know that the leadership of this project is super strong. This has been completely organic growth, and they just continue to put out quality content that keeps getting better. So definitely Twitter looks good. Then I always like to check out their website. So a really quality looking website, all the information that you need out here, tokenomics, how to buy. They're in a number of Sui dApps like Double Up, which is a Sui casino. You could use AAA Cat. Here's their partners. So very high quality website, checks that box. And then I like to look at their Telegram, and you can see they have 4,200 members, over 600 currently online. And I like to scroll through their Telegram just to see how active it is. So this one looks really good. Next thing I like to look at is holder count. Dex Screener doesn't do a good job of showing holder count for Sui ecosystem meme coins yet. So what I like to do is copy the contract address right here and then go to Sui Vision, which is the top explorer in my opinion for the Sui ecosystem, and then just paste the contract address in. That'll pull up the project. You can see right here, AAA Cat and total supply. And here's the holder count right here. So this is approaching 11,000 holders. I think last time I looked a couple days ago, it was at like 8 or 9. So it's growing. You want to see a growing holder count. And then if you scroll down, obviously they have the charts here. I have a video on Sui Vision, so make sure to check that out. If you go to holders, this is where you can see all of the wallets that hold it and the percentage that they hold, just to get an idea of how decentralized a meme coin project is. And obviously the more decentralized, the better. So AAA Cat's definitely a top 5 Sui ecosystem meme coin in my opinion. Next up, let's take a look at BLUB. BLUB is definitely a top 5 Sui ecosystem meme coin. You can see the chart looks really good. It's approaching an all-time high right now, sitting at about a 52 million market cap. Let's take a look at their X profile. It says BLUB, #1 meme on Sui, a dirty fish in the waters of the Sui ocean, 21,000 followers. You can see a pinned tweet here from November 8th. So scrolling through, what I'm looking for is how frequently do they post new content and is it quality content? And you can see 3 hours ago this one, they reposted this about 6 hours ago. And so it would check that box for me, right? High quality content, and they post frequently. That's a good sign of a strong meme coin project. Next, let's take a look at their Telegram. So you can see they have 6,800 members, almost 500 online right now. So with Telegram, you're looking to see how active the community is, right? You want to see a lot of activity and good vibes all around, and so it's checking that box as well. Volume is something that you want to take into account when analyzing meme coins. You can see BLUB currently has pretty strong volume, and that's a great sign. You can see that the price is currently going up. As I'm recording this, it's an all-time high at 58 million market cap. Let's take a look at the holder count. I'm going to copy the contract address right here. I'm going to go to Sui Vision, paste in the contract. You can see here's BLUB, 49,215 holders, and it's been around for 4 months and 21 days. So definitely an established project in the Sui meme coin ecosystem. So BLUB is definitely a top 3 Sui ecosystem meme coin in my opinion, especially when you consider what just happened with HIPPO and the Binance futures listing. BLUB is one of the strongest candidates in my opinion for a major SEX listing in the near future, which is why I think you're seeing the price rip right now. Next up is FUD, the OG of the Sui meme coin ecosystem. This is definitely a top 5 in my opinion project. Been around among the longest, if not the longest, of all the Sui meme coins. Ran all the way up to around 51 million market cap. It's pulled back a little bit. So taking a look at their X profile, you can see that they have 22,000 followers. And if we scroll down, they tweeted this 6 hours ago. This is a big announcement by Suiland, who's one of the top DeFi protocols in the ecosystem. We're thrilled to announce FUD the Pug community will receive a Send ecosystem airdrop allocation. So that's huge. And you can see it's just really good quality meme content. Let's take a look at their Telegram. So they have over 6,000 members, 350 online right now. Again, with Telegram, we're getting a feel for community sentiment, how engaged they are. Is it active? And I would say the answer is, of course, yes. So they have a great looking website, super clean. Here's the story of FUD. FUD is the OG meme on Sui, a free airdrop to the community in December 2023, created by a decentralized team of builders, believers, and founders on Sui. FUD is for the people, by the people. Here's where you can get FUD, in addition to all the dexes obviously on Sui. They're also on a couple centralized exchanges, BitGet and MEXC. FUD's another strong candidate to follow what we just saw happen with HIPPO and the Binance futures listings. This would potentially be a good entry for anybody interested in FUD. Let's go ahead and check the holder count. So let's copy the contract address. Let's go back to Sui Vision Explorer. Let's paste it in. So you can see this is over 50,000 holders and age 11 months, 4 days old. One of the oldest, if not the oldest, Sui ecosystem meme coins. And then if we scroll down to holders, you can go through this and take a look at how decentralized it is. So FUD's definitely a top 2, top 3 Sui ecosystem meme token in my opinion, and one that you're going to want to keep your eyes on. So let's take a look at another one that I like. This is a newer one, TISM. This is currently sitting under a 3 million market cap. It has gone all the way up to about 4.7 million. Has pretty good volume. And if we take a look at their X profile, be patient, I have TISM, and if we scroll down, they post quite often. They're also hosting Twitter spaces that are like AI generated, but really funny if you listen to them. Unique art. There's just something about this one that I personally find interesting, makes me laugh, some of their content, and I think that's super important obviously for a meme coin. So there's just something organic, unique feeling about this. Again, I could be wrong, I don't know. This is just one that caught my eye personally. Let's copy the contract address, and then if we go to Sui Vision, I already pasted it in. So here's TISM. So this one already has over 1,600 holders, and it's about a month old, just under a month old. And if we scroll down and check out holders, you can see it's pretty decentralized, so that's a good sign. And let's take a look at their website. The ticker, it's kind of catchy, right? TISM. Let's see what it's all about. Test your TISM. Got TISM? Well, if you're a crypto, you do. So this is something I could see catching on. Really nice site. Check your TISM level. So I got a 66 score for my TISM level. TISM means aping into trades purely on vibes, no thesis, just conviction and hopium. We all have TISM. Only those who embrace it are going to make it. There are 2 types of people in this world. There are people with TISM and there are normies. Something about this makes me laugh. Again, original, right? This isn't just copy paste stuff. This is one I would definitely keep an eye on. Let's check out their Telegram. So they have 1,100 subscribers, and again, seems to be pretty active in their Telegram. So for super low caps and newer Sui ecosystem meme coins, I'd keep an eye on TISM. One more thing I want to take a look at is Turbos.fun. I did a video on this last week. This is a new fair launch Sui meme coin launchpad by Turbos Finance. If we go to rankings, this will show you the ones that are still on the bonding curve and those that have graduated. So let's just take a look. Shork, Zen Frogs, and Super Saiyan. I've looked at those as well on Deck Screener, and those do look interesting. But I like to go to Turbos.fun and just check out rankings and see what has recently graduated from the bonding curve to the Turbos decks. So let's go back and go through the process of making a swap. In this case, we're going to use AAA Cat, since this is something that I currently do hold and it is dipping right now. It hasn't pulled back all the way to the 618, but it's close. And so I'm going to go ahead and add a little more in this video, just for anybody that has not yet traded Sui meme coins and is interested in seeing the process. So I'm going to go ahead and copy the contract address right here. In this example, I'm going to use 7K Aggregator. There's a bunch of different aggregators and decks. There's Turbos decks, there's Cetus, there's Hop Aggregator, and they all work great. So I'm going to go ahead and connect my Sui wallet and click connect. And on the bottom, click that, and I'm going to paste in the contract address for AAA Cat or ACAT. And then let's take a look at my wallet. So I have 20 Sui to work with, and I have that much AAA Cat. So we're gonna go ahead and add to that right now. Again, just because it has pulled back from all-time highs. So in a bull market, I'm gonna buy dips of projects that I believe in, and this is definitely one of them. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's just say 15. Oops, not 150, 15. So we'll swap 15 Sui for that much AAA Cat. Let's go ahead and click swap and go ahead and click approve. And you can see completed in 1.25 seconds. Sui is extremely fast. Let's open up my wallet, and we now have that much AAA Cat. Let me know in the comments if you agree with my list of top Sui meme coins, and if there's any that I didn't cover, let me know. I'll take a look at them and maybe talk about them in the next video. Hopefully this was helpful. If it was, please leave a like and consider subscribing for more crypto tutorials. See you in the next one.